Hello everyone, I'm Adrina, and although I'm only in year 8, I love helping people to learn things. And today I'm going to be teaching you about sentence structure. Let's get into it. In order to be classed as a sentence, you will need a verb and a noun in your sentence. And you will need to know the difference between these two. A verb is simply an action, okay? And a noun is simply a person, a place, or a thing. A noun could be all of these things, meaning that there can be multiple in a sentence. And before I get asked questions like, what is a subject? A subject is basically the same as a noun. Now, we're going to be looking at some non-sentences and sentences. He was. This is grammatically incorrect because it doesn't say what he was doing. He was walking is grammatically correct because it says what he was doing. Why is it so high up? Although some of you might think it's a sentence, it is actually not. There is no verb in the sentence because it doesn't say what happened to it or what it has done. Why is it placed so high up as a sentence? Placed is your verb. Now I'm going to teach you how to use these punctuation types. Punctuation is very simple how to use, but it is easy to go wrong in some areas. For example, you can sometimes see commas being used where you need to end the full sentence with a full stop. Now, I'm going to teach you how to use all of these things, and I'm going to teach you correctly. So, I'll first go in with a statement for a full stop. I went to town. This is a very simple statement and it will have to end with a full stop. It cannot be used as a question unless I say, why did you go to town? Or why did I want to go to town? Next, we're going to be looking at question marks. This is used in a question, whether the question is rhetorical or not. Where are my keys? This is also a question because it has a question mark. It is an integrative question, not a rhetorical question. It is intended to have an answer. Commas are used in lists, not to join sentences. So let me use one to show you. I went to buy a cup, a candle, and a shirt. The only rule with commas I would say you need to know is whenever you're using it, don't use a comma before you have the word and. That would make your sentence grammatically incorrect. Now for the exclamation mark. You will need to know that exclamation marks only add emphasis. It was so fun. This is an exclamation because you're saying that behind the sentence, there was a lot of fun in the activity that they did. Thank you all for watching, and I'm very appreciated that you watched this. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and maybe send this to a few friends to help them out too. Bye guys, see you in the next video.